Good morning students, good morning everyone, and today we are going to discuss number series only, but in a different manner, like pictorial diagrams we are discussing, right. See this one, what is the next one you see? Next one you see, this is also number series only, but in diagrams manner they will give, right. What is the next question? What is the next question mark here? What is the answer you will get here? Yes, let me know the answer. Yes, you can give message to me, I can see all your messages, right. 35, 40, 45 and question mark is given. So what you will get here? 35, 40, 45. You can convert this one into series way also. 35, 40, 45 and question mark. Here 35 plus 5, 40 plus 5 and 45 plus 5, you will get 50. So this one is there in the options. So we can write as 50. The question mark can fill as 50, right? Yes, many of you written 50, very good, right? Many answers you written right, very good, right? All of you given right. One more example we can see. It's a easy one, right? We can convert this diagram into series manner. We can answer it, right? Now one more example you see. Yes, get me the answer. Yes, now see. If you start from this one, if you go in clockwise direction, so 1 plus 2 is becoming as 3 and 2 plus 3 is becoming as 5, 3 plus 5 is becoming as 8 and you will get 5 plus 8, that is 13, 1 3 is there in the option number C. Many of you given option number 3 as answer, 13, many of you given 13 also, right. So 13 is given as answer, right, very good. 1 plus 2, the way we are doing in clockwise direction, the way we are doing in clockwise direction, right. One more example we can do, right. One more example, see what is given there in the example, right. 13, 5, 6, 34, 8, 14, 8, 7 and question mark is given here. 13 plus 5 by 2, 13 plus 5 by 2, if we take 13 plus 5 by 2 is 9, 13 plus 5 by 3 if we take 13 plus 5 by 3, 18 by 3, that is 6 is there here. Now 34 plus 8 by 3 if we take here, 34 plus 8 means 42, 42 by 3 if we take, that is 14. So the same way you can get the answer, 8 plus 7 by 3, 8 plus 7 means 15, 15 by 3 means you will get the answer as 5. You will get the answer as 5, choice 3. Many of you written, all of you maximum written 5, right. One more example, the next example, what is given there you see, next example. We are doing the series in pictorial manner, yes, find out. 81 is given, 9 is given, 16 is given and the middle is given 4, 3, 9 and here 49, 164 in the middle given question mark. What you will get in the question mark place? Just you find out what you will get in the question mark place. 81, 9, 16 and in the middle 439 is there and here 49, 164 question mark is there. If you observe, this is a square and this is also square. So this one is a square, this one is a square and this one also square. So what pattern you will get and what logic you will go? You will go in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise or opposite sides. So what way you will get the answer? Just go through it, we can discuss now. Is here, if you see, this is 16, that is 4 square. So this is 9, that is 3 square. So this is 81, that is 9 square. So 439 is there means 4 square, 3 square, 9 square is there here. The same way if you find here, this is 64 means you will get 8 square. 64 means 8 square. This is 10 square. This is 10 square. So 8 square, 10 square and this is 9 square, 7 square. So what you will get here? 8107, this one. See once again, you those who didn't get that answer, see once here, this is 16 4 square. So this is 9 3 square, this is 81 9 square. The same way you will get 64 means 8 square, this is 10 square, this is 7 square. So we will get 8 10 7, 8107, third option, 8107, third option, right? Next one more example. What is given there, you see this one, another one diagram is given in a different manner and some numbers are given and here one question mark is given. So what you will get in the question mark place? Right? Now 4 3 2 and in circle is there, 28 is given and here 4 8 8 12 is there. So what you will get in the place of question mark? Yes, try to get the answer, you can discuss now in seconds, right? Suppose if we take here, this is 5 and this is 4. Suppose if we take 5 square plus 4 square, how much you see? 5 square plus 4 square, 25 plus 16. 5 square plus 4 square, 25 plus 16. 25 plus 16, that is 41. 25 plus 16, that is 41. Second, if you take this line, 3 square plus 2 square, how much you see? 3 square means 9, 2 square means 4, 9 plus 4, 13. What is the difference you see? If you subtract, the difference 41 minus 13 is 28. Yes, that is there here. So what way they tried this question means, opposite values they squared and added, and they subtracted the sum of those two. 41 minus 13, that is 28. The same way if you try here, 8 square plus 4 square, 8 square plus 4 square, how much you see? 8 square means 64 plus 4 square means 16. Okay, that is 80. Now what you will get here? 8 square plus something, you should get the difference should be 12. Here something will be there, the difference is 12. So what you will get here? I given the clue now, can I get the answer? Options are there here. What answer you will get here, right? I given the way, right? Many of you given 2 now, yes. Many of you given 2, answer is 2, yes. Is it correct? Answer 2. Suppose if you take answer 2, 8 square plus 2 square, how much you see? 8 square 64 plus 2 square 4, 64 plus 4 68. So the difference is 12, yes. Here answer 2 you will get, option number 4. This way you can answer opposite values they squared and added, Now the difference of these two sums is taken as 28. The same process you can follow this one, opposite values square and added, the difference is given as 12. So here if you take 2, the difference you are getting 12. Right? This way you can answer this question. We will give the next question, you see what is the next question. Yes, see this one, what is the next question? Here another model question is there, 84, 14, 12, 81, 18, 9, 88 question mark 11. 88 question mark 11. So what question mark place you will get? 84, 14, 12 is there here. And here 81, 18, 9 is there and here 88 question mark and 11. So what value will get here in the place of question mark? Yes, I will tell 84 by 12, 12 sevens 84. So into 2 will give 14 by 12 and into 2. The same process if we take here 81 by 9, that is 9. Into 2 is 18, yes. The same process 88 by 11 means 8, into 2 is 16, many of you retain 16, right? Whoever given the answer, all they retain 16, yes. Now see, 84 by 12, that gives 7, that doubled is 14. 81 by 9, that is giving 9, doubled is 18. 88 by 11 is 8, the doubled is 16. Yes, answer is 16, right? Yes, one more example I will give, just go through it. The next question, what is given there, you see. The next one, a circle is given and some parts are given here and one question mark is there. So, what you will get in the place of question mark? Here 5, 8, 13, 22, 39. So, what is the question mark? Options are there here, you can find out the answer. 5, 8, if you take in a anti-clockwise manner, not clockwise, anti-clockwise, because question mark is there. If you take in this manner, 5 becomes 8, 8 becomes 13, 13 becomes 22, 22 becomes 39. What place you will get in the question mark place? What number you will get? So, here 66, 71, 72, 78 is there. Yes, yes, somebody, yes, many of you written 72 and 71, both answers you are writing. 71 also there, 72 also there. Some of you writing, yes, one of you written 16 also, right? So, what logic? 66 is the correct answer. One gentleman is saying himself 66 is the correct answer, right? But many of you written 72. Yes, he is very confident on 66, right? Very confident on 66. So, what you will get the question mark place? What you will get the question mark place? Yes, right, we can give the answer. Suppose this number if you take, this is 5 and this one is 8. I am writing in a series manner 5, 8, 13, 22, 39 and what you will get in the place of question mark. So, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 2, 10, see clearly, 5 into 2, 10, minus 2 is 8. What number we multiplied? The same number we are subtracting. What number we multiplied here? Here 5 is multiplied by number 2, the same number we are subtracting here. 5 into 2, 10 minus 2 is 8, right? Now, into 2 minus 2, the same process is following or not, you see. 8 into 2, 16, the same number you need to subtract, the same number you need to subtract. Into 2 minus 2 is not coming, then what is the process here? Into 2 minus 2, the same number is not coming, then what you have to do? 8 into 2, 16, here is given 13, increase 1 here, 16 minus 3, that is 13. Okay. Yes, same number multiplied, same number subtracted, but the same process is not coming, then you need to change your idea. 8 into 2 minus 8 into 2, 16, minus 3 is 13. Then you need to go for 13 here into 2 minus 3. Then 13 if you take, 13 into 2 is 26. If you subtract 3, you are not getting this one. You need to increase one more, that is minus 4, that is 22. Yes. So, into 2 minus 4, into 2 minus 4. Then automatically you will get next idea, into 2 minus 5. So, we will get into 2 minus 6, into 2 minus 6. So, 39 into 2 minus 6. So, what answer we will get? 39 into 2, that is 58 or 68 or 78? 78 minus to get, that answer is 72. So, option number 2. The process is going in an anti-clockwise manner. 5 into 2 minus 2, 8 into 2 minus 3, 13 into 2 minus 4, 22 into 2 minus 5, 39 into 2 minus 6. You are getting the question mark place, right? One more you see. Just you try what is given there here. Yes, you try once again. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, that is 12, by 2 is 6. 5 plus 21, 5 plus 21, that is 26, by 2 is 13. 21 plus 7 by 2, if we take 28, by 2 means 14, fourth option, right? Easy one, just you need to do average for the these two numbers. The same process followed by this, same process you need to follow for that, right? One more example I will give, right? One more example, just what is there you see. Yes, here is a table is given, three numbers are given, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 7 and 1, 8, 3, 21, 98 and question mark, 21, 98 and question mark, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 7 and 1, 8, 3, 21, 98 and question mark. So, what you will get in the place of question mark? Here 4, 2, 1 is there, 4, 2, 1 is there, 4 square 16, 2 square is 4 and 1 square is 1, the total is 21. 16 plus 4 plus 1, the total is 21. So, 5, 3, 8, 5 square plus 3 square plus 8 square, 5 square plus 3 square plus 8 square, that is 25 plus 9 plus 64 is how much you see, that is 98. Then how much you will get here? 6 square plus 7 square plus 3 square, 6 square plus 7 square plus 3 square, 6 square plus 7 square plus 3 square, 36 plus 49 plus 9. So, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 6, 24, 2, 6, 9, 94 is the correct answer. Second option is the correct answer. Second answer is the second option is the correct answer, right? One more example you write, one more example. Now, see what is the question mark place here. See once here what is the question mark place, 21, 25, 18, 16, 15, question mark is there here. 25, 21, 18, 16, 15 and question mark is there here. So, what answer you will get in the place of question mark? Take anti-clockwise, this is 15 plus 1. I am writing in series 15, 16, 18, 21 and 25, question mark is there here. Suppose if you take here plus 1, if you take here plus 2, if you take here plus 3 and if you take here plus 4 and if you take here plus 5, you will get 25 plus 5, that is 30, 25 plus 5, that is 30. So, 15 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 30, that is 30, right. So, answer is there in the options 30. Series sums only we are doing in a pictorial manner, right. Sometimes they will give in this manner also. If you write SSC exam, many questions will come in this manner, right. We can go for the next question, see what is given there in the next question, right. See once here what is the question, next one, what is the answer here? Very easy one, right. By seeing the question itself, you can get the answer here, right. 2 question mark 16 and 256, 2 question mark 16 and 256. What is the answer here means 2 into 2 if we take, that is 4, 4 into 4 that is 16, 16 into 16 256. If you take in a series manner 2, 4, 16, 256 is given means into 2, into 4, into 16. So, this one doubled, 2 into 4 into 16, next you will get means you will get series sums only we given in this manner, right. Yes, very good, right. One more example I will give, see this one, right. Yes, see this one 9 question mark 2, 4, 5, 25, 3, 9, 2 and 4 question mark 9 and 3, 9, 5, 25. So, what answer will get here? Now, see if you take this is 2 square 4, this is 3 square 9, this is 5 square 25, 9 square you will get, that is 81. 9 square is, that is 81, right. One more question I will give, right. One more question I will give. Yes. Next question you see. Yes. What is there in the next question? Yes. Now see. 7, 15, 31, 63, 127. What is the question mark? 7, 15, 31, 63, 127. Question mark is there here. So, what option you will get? Here 4 options are there. What option you will get here, right. If I write this in a serious manner, 7, 15, 31, 63 and 127 question mark. 7 into 2, 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 into 2, 30, 30 plus 1 is 32. See once here, 7 into 2, 14 plus 1 is 15, this one. The second part is 15, 15 into 2, 30 plus 1 is 31, this one. So, what we are doing means into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 we are doing, right. 63, sorry, right, this is 31. 31 into 2, 62 plus 1, that is 63. Now, 63 if you take into 2 plus 1, this is 126 plus 1, 127. Now, the same process 127 into 2 plus 1. 127 into 2 is whatever you will get, 2 sevens 14, 5 and 254 plus 1, 255. This one, option number 4. One more example. Yes. Find out this one. Another figure is given 14, 6, 18, 27. What you will get in the place of question mark? What you will get in the place of question mark? Here 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6 is 20. 18 plus 17 is 25. Yes, second option right. Next question. See this one carefully. 6, 6, 1, 3, 7 and question mark is given here. What you will get in the place of question mark? Yes, the previous question we can use here. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 3 plus something will be 6 means that is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Yes. We can go for the next question, right. What is the next question you see, right. One number, some numbers are given here 63, 7, 9, 35, 6, 24 question mark. What you will get in the place of question mark? 7, 9, 63, 7, 9, 63, 7, 9, 63 and 5, 6 are 30. And in the place of question mark, what number will be there? You will get 20. 5, 4, 5 is 20. So, answer is 5. Very easy one. Answer is 5. Okay. Another way, 63 by 7 is 9, 30 by 5 is 6, 20 by 4 is 5. We can do in that manner. 63 by 7 is 9, 30 by 5 is 6, 20 by 4 is 5. Right? Yes. One more last example for today, right? Try to get the answer for the last example, right? Yes. See this one, right? The same model 24, 25, 50, 24, 20, 10, 4, 9, 3, 12, 5 and question mark is there here. So, what you will get in the place of question mark? 24 plus 24, so that is 48. By 12 is 4 or by 4 is 12, by 4 is 12. 25 plus 20, 25 plus 20 that is 45. So, by 9 is 5. Now, similarly 50 plus 10, 50 plus 10 that is 60, 50 plus 10 that is 60 by 3 is 20. Yes, option number C. Yes, right, very good, right. Thank you all of you. Tomorrow we can meet another type of questions. Yes, right, this is Varaprasad, your reasoning trainer. Thank you all of you, right.